Hello there. So we're out in the shop and it's sled land. We got sled land behind us. So I'll show you what we're up to. So table of parts, just a battery of sleds in here today. And got a couple broken parts that we're fixing. So this guy here is broken. And so I'm gonna take just a piece of aluminum, a nice heavy piece, and I'm gonna fill the back side here. I'm gonna fill this guy up, and then we're gonna re-drill this hole nice and clean. To cut the piece, I'm gonna use this new plasma. I just picked up this little Bestarc. It's a BTC 500 DP. And we're gonna give her a go today. I think that's good enough. Oops, I'll spin it around. Spin it around. Come on. There it goes. So that's what I got. Now I'm going to grind that all flush. And I'm going to weld another piece over top so that it sort of keys in here. And just give this guy more strength. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to take this grinding board and I'm going to grind this all out. Okay, so I got that little plasma set up. I'm just running it off a little tiny baby air compressor, and I just want to see how it does, how bad it gargles through air. And I'm going to cut this thick aluminum plate, it's 1/4 inch, and then I'm going to cut that steel, which is 3/8. Might actually be 1/2 inch, I'm not sure. Oh, beauty. That works good. That doesn't even try for that. Oh, I can deal with that. Well, that's a win. That's our little Bestarc plasma. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just bought it. Thought I'd try it. Seems to be alright. It's gonna do what I need. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. So now we've got it plugged into just a household 110 cord. And it's on the same circuit as that compressor, so it might trip out. But we'll see. I guess we'll find out. It gives you a max of 35 amps on the 115 mode. So let's see how it does. So I got my part all done. And this little plasma is pretty good when you run it on 220. But on 115, is it any kind of a ball of fire? Not really. You maybe do light gauge body work. But anything more, it's going to struggle. It is going to do what I need it to do, because I always run it off 220 anyways. So it's definitely going to serve my needs. I like how small it is. It'll fit right behind the seat of my truck. And then I'll always have plasma. And running it off of that little tiny air compressor, where is it? I'm just running off that little baby compressor. So it's not like I'm running a high volume of air, but it seems to work good enough to do what I need. So I'm stoked on that. We're going to get into fixing this sander box tonight. I probably won't film much of it. It's just a bunch of boring repairs. But I'll be back tomorrow.